The growing demand for mechanical keyboards mirrors a similar trend in outdoor gear. People want comfort, precision, and customization. Just as typists and gamers look for the right switch type, build quality, and layout, kayakers increasingly seek seats that enhance posture, reduce fatigue, and add long-term value. In this guide, we evaluate the top kayak seats based on cushioning.
List number 1. 2 Kayak Seat Deluxe Padded Canoe Backrest Seat Sit-On. The 2-pack of Kayak Seat Deluxe Padded Canoe Backrest Seat is an excellent option for couples, families, or anyone who needs multiple seating upgrades at once. Designed for sit-on-top kayaks, this model includes thick foam padding and an ergonomic high-back profile that delivers the kind of sustained support paddlers need during long trips. The dual-pack bundle also offers great value for multi-kayak owners or beginners looking to outfit their boats affordably. One standout benefit is the combination of a contoured seat cushion and firm backrest, which work together to maintain proper posture while reducing lower back strain. The adjustable straps allow paddlers to customize the angle of support, accommodating different body types and paddling styles. Whether you're fishing, sightseeing, or navigating mild rapids, this versatility helps you stay comfortable and stable. Installation is simple, thanks to the durable metal clips and universal tie-down points that attach securely to most sit-on-top kayaks. The non-slip bottom ensures the seat stays in place even in wet or choppy conditions. Plus, the weather-resistant materials offer lasting durability, resisting moisture, UV rays, and abrasions.
List number 2. BKC UH KS222 Universal Sit-on-Top Soft Padded Kayak Seat. The BKC UH Universal Sit-on-Top Soft Padded Kayak Seat is crafted with long-distance paddling comfort in mind. Brooklyn Kayaking Company is known for producing premium, performance-oriented kayaking accessories, and this seat embodies that reputation with its superior padding and ergonomic structure. Designed to fit most sit-on-top kayaks, it provides a balanced blend of softness and firmness, giving paddlers reliable back support without feeling too rigid. The thick EVA foam padding reduces pressure on the hips and tailbone, making it ideal for long fishing sessions or multi-hour kayaking adventures. The high back design promotes proper alignment and minimizes fatigue, especially for those who struggle with lower back discomfort. The adjustable
List number 3. HLOGREE Kayak Seats 1/2-pack. The HLOGREE Kayak Seats, available in 1-pack or 2-pack options, provide an excellent mix of affordability, comfort, and accessory value. These seats incorporate thick, molded foam padding that supports the hips, back, and lumbar region, making them a great budget-friendly choice for paddlers who need better ergonomics without going premium. The standout advantage is its included bonus accessories. Most HLOGREE seat bundles come with a detachable waterproof storage bag that attaches conveniently behind the seat. This added feature gives kayakers space to store small items such as phones, snacks, tools, or fishing gear, an especially useful addition for long outdoor trips. In terms of design, the backrest features contoured shaping to keep the spine supported through continuous paddling. The anti-slip bottom ensures that the seat stays securely in place even when wet. 4 adjustable straps allow quick adjustments, ensuring a secure fit on kayaks, paddleboards, canoes, and inflatables. The metal hooks are corrosion-resistant and built for repeated use in different environments, including saltwater.
List number 4. Penban Universal Deluxe Kayak Seat Cushion with Storage Bag. The Penban Universal Deluxe Kayak Seat Cushion is ideal for paddlers who want a soft yet supportive seating upgrade with added convenience. Constructed with high-density EVA foam and durable polyester, the EAT offers a cushy feel that reduces lower back pressure during long paddling sessions. Its layered padding provides a plush experience, making it especially popular among recreational paddlers and anglers who spend extended time sitting. One appealing feature is its detachable rear storage bag. The included zippered pouch is large enough to store essentials like sunscreen, snacks, fishing accessories, or small electronics. Having quick access storage within reach is a major advantage on long trips, helping reduce clutter in the kayak cockpit. The backrest is designed with ergonomic contouring to provide lumbar support and keep your upper body stable while paddling. Adjustable straps allow the user to fine-tune the seat's angle, making it compatible not only with kayaks but also paddleboards, canoes, and rowing setups. The strong metal hooks are resistant to rust and built to handle rough outdoor conditions. Some users may prefer a firmer backrest for longer or more intense paddling sessions. However, for those who prioritize comfort and convenience, the Pen Band seat offers a comfortable ride at a very reasonable price. It's a great option for beginners, fishing enthusiasts, and casual paddlers needing extra cushioning and storage access while on the water.
List number 5. Woo Wave Kayak Seat Padded Deluxe Paddleboard Seat Adjustable Boat Seat. The Woo Wave Kayak Seat is a top-tier choice for paddlers seeking a robust, comfortable, and highly adjustable seating upgrade. Known for its quality construction, Woo Wave builds this seat with thick EVA cushioning and durable neoprene materials, combining both comfort and longevity. The padding is firm enough to support long trips while still offering enough softness to reduce tailbone pressure and lower back fatigue. The ergonomic high back design is one of the seat's biggest strengths. It contours naturally to the spine, promoting proper paddling posture and enhancing overall endurance. Whether you're navigating calm lakes or choppy coastal waters, the Woo Wave seat stays supportive and stable. A major advantage is the included detachable storage bag. The waterproof zippered pouch mounts securely behind the seat, providing space for essentials such as water bottles, tools, snacks, and personal items. The convenience of extra storage makes it ideal for anglers and long-distance kayakers.